This video is supported by AC Infinity. Yo, what's good, Good Eats 420 fam? I'm back. Bassdropkeys, your friendly neighborhood Negro. In today's video, guys, we're starting our first grow on this channel. It's sponsored by AC Infinity. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel once again. I want to welcome you to the Infinity Grow Season 1. I want to thank everybody for your patience as I relocated to the great state of New Mexico. That's where I'm at now. We're going to be doing our first grow right here on this channel. I want to thank AC Infinity for sponsoring this grow. You can use Bassdropkeys to get 15% off any order on acinfinity.com. So the first thing that you have to do with a grow is you have to set up your grow tent or your grow room or however it is that you choose to do what you're doing. Right here we have a 4x4 AC Infinity tent. We're going to set this up first. So the first thing that you do is you open up the box, you take out all the poles, you identify the poles. It's really easy to set up. Also, one of the great things that I like about the AC Infinity tents is they come with a bag. So whenever we have to move our tent, we can fold it up, we can put it back in the bag, and we can take it wherever we need to take it and set it back up. All the other tent companies, they don't have a bag that comes with their tent. So I want to thank AC Infinity for that. These tent poles are very sturdy. These are the steel ones, not the plastic ones. It goes together very easy. Once you have the frame together, the bottom of the frame, what we're going to do is we're going to open up the tent. We're going to find the bottom of the tent. We're going to set the frame inside the bottom of the tent. Once we do that with the bottom part of the frame, we're going to attach the rest of the frame to the top. And once that's completed, I'm a short person. I'm like 5'5", so I grab a ladder and you basically just put the tent over the frame and wrap it around. It's pretty simple. So what you're looking at now is the completed tent put up. You can even see the plate that we're going to put the controller on the outside of the tent. This AC Infinity tent is very, very thick and very durable. The bars are extremely strong. And this is exactly what you want to get if you want to start growing. So now that you see the tent, let's move to the next thing, which is our ventilation system. Here we go. The ventilation system that we're running in this AC Infinity tent is the AC Infinity Cloudline T8 Inline Duct fan with temperature humidity controller. You see me unboxing the carbon filter right now. And right here, I'm unboxing the inline fan itself. What you're looking at right now is the controller that we're going to put outside of the tent on the plate. That is going to actually give us the readings for what the sensor is reading. And also we'll be able to program our unit to come on or turn off depending on the humidity and temperature inside of the tent. And right here you see me putting on the pre-filter cloth. It's an easy to wash sleeve that goes over the mesh body to prevent carbon residue from building up on the filter. Now, to give you guys a little demonstration of the power of this unit, I'm going to go ahead and show you what happened whenever I first plugged it in, so that way you can hear and see how powerful this unit is for yourself. Here we go. Thing is super powerful. All right, now we're turning it down. Woo! All right. All right, so I just hooked in the controller, and as you guys can hear, this thing is moving some serious air. So this has 10 levels. Let's go to level 2. This is level 1 right here. Can you hear it? Here's level 2. Oh yeah. Level 3. Whew, it's moving some air. Level 4. Damn. 5. 6. Woo-hoo. 7. 8. 9. 10. It's the highest level. All right, so I just turned it off. Let's go ahead and put it together before we install it. Here we go. So right here, what you see me doing is I'm connecting the carbon filter, and on the other side, I'm going to connect the ducting to the inline fan using some aluminum reflective duct tape that's made for HVAC systems. Also, I'm using the clamps that they came with as well. Now, based upon where you're putting the inline fan, the system at, that's going to determine what side the carbon filter is going to go on. Right now, because I'm going to be putting this system inside the tent and not outside the tent, I have the carbon filter on the opposite direction on where the air is flowing. The air is going to be flowing to the other side, not where the carbon filter is, but to the other side. So that means that the inline fan is going to draw in the air on the carbon filter side. It's going to pass through the carbon filter. It's going to be clean. It's going to go through the fan, go out the ducting, and that's going to alleviate our tent of having any smell, and also it's going to help with the air circulation inside of our tent. Now, to install our ventilation system inside of our tent, I basically use some ratchet ropes and the straps that the inline fan comes with. You see me right here, I'm attaching 2 ratchet ropes to the tent. I'm basically attaching those ratchet ropes to the inline fan. I'm going to use those ratchet ropes to pull up the inline fan by myself. And then, as far as the carbon filter, I'm going to use the straps that it comes with. It comes with 2 black straps. We're going to use those straps to hold up the carbon filter. So it's pretty easy, just attach it to the inline fan, ratchet it up, and then you're going to put the black straps underneath the filter. Stick your ducting outside of your tent. Now, if you're by a window, you can vent this outside, or you can vent this into another tent, or you could just sit it on top of your tent and just do it that way. After that, what we need to do is we need to install our controller. It came with some screws. I'm using 2 of the little screws to attach the controller to the controller plate. I run in the cord for the sensor. Also, I run in the cord that connects to the inline fan. Set up where you want the relative humidity and the temperature to be on your controller, and you're ready to go. Now, as far as the grow light, for this particular grow, I decided to go with the Mars Hydro FCE 4800. It's a commercial grow light that goes inside a 4x4 tent. It has 2,646 diodes. It is dimmable, and it pulls 480 watts out the wall. Now, Mars Hydro did not sponsor this grow, so if you want to get this light, hit the link that's in the description. It'll take you over to Amazon where you can purchase it right there. All right, guys, so this is going to conclude today's video. This is the start of our first grow on this channel. We're going to call this the Infinity Grow. It's sponsored by AC Infinity. Don't forget that you can get a 15% discount on acinfinity.com by using Bassdropkeys as the coupon code. I also want to mention that if you're interested in getting coached by me one-on-one, I do offer that on my site. Hit the link that's in the description. It'll take you over to my site where you can book some time, and I'll do one-on-one coaching with you about anything that I cover, be it edibles or growing or pressing or anything that I cover. I am willing to coach you about anything that I cover. Come on over and book some time. If you're interested in seeing all of the growing videos that I've already done and pressing and everything, I do have another YouTube channel, Bassdropkeys YFNN. Come over and subscribe to the channel. If you like these kind of videos, that's where you can see all the rest of them. Come on over and subscribe to the channel, Bassdropkeys YFNN. I really appreciate everybody. Thank you once again to my Patreon patrons. Thank you to everybody that supports me on the YouTube membership program on this channel. Thank you to everybody that just watches and tells all your friends about the videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you. Until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. I'm out, guys. Much love.